I had a tire problem last weekend coming home from the Iron Gate Motor Condo Chrome and Coffee event. And I was with my neighbor Hobe cruising there and enjoying the amazing cars. I'll post a couple pictures here and there. Um, on the way home, my daughter and I, on the way home, we picked up a nail on the road. And the TPMS, tire pressure, dropped significantly quickly. We were able to exit, air out the tire a little bit, and get to Walmart. That was the only open tire place. And lo and behold, such luck is that the nail, which I'll show this in the picture here, is a long one, 3-inch, and it punctured the sidewall. Obviously, as you guys know, it cannot be repaired. Now, my dilemma was Walmart does not carry that size of a tire, the Michelin 315s or any 315 wide tire at all. So, my brother came in clutch, and blessed that he was home to help us out. He drove all the way to where we were at in La Salle, Peru area to bring me my stock Pirellis, the one that came with the car. Good thing I kept those Pirellis, and we mounted it on the rear passenger side, and we got home. Now, I started to order the Michelins to replace the damaged tire, but Michelin is back order. And let's continue this story at the shop. So I had an issue, had a tire puncture on the sidewall last weekend, and this Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 315 3520s are back ordered 2 months from Tire Rack. So lucky for me, I have the stock 305 Pirelli still at my home, so I'm having it swapped for the rears here, so I can put the 305s to the front and the 315s that was in the front to the rear. So I have a staggered setup, not originally intended, but since it'll take 2 months for the Michelin to get here, it'll do for now. So I'm taking this video to let you guys know that if you're visiting my channel and looking at the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 315 3520, they're back ordered everywhere. I mean, I searched the web and I called local tire shops, and it's really back ordered. So just wanted to give you guys that update, so that you guys know that if you want this tire, currently back ordered at Michelin. So hope you find this video useful, and like, share, and subscribe if you would, so people can be informed. And just a quick update, this has been lowered and the tires are doing well. Looks like they balance it appropriately or aligned it appropriately, that wear is kind of even, and I don't have a problem with suspension or rear diff or anything like that. So there you go. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye for now. Alright, it's all done. So the front now are 305 3520 Pirellis, the stock ones that came in the car, and the rears are 315 3520 Michelins. Since the car is lowered, it still looks pretty good, even though it's a staggered setup. So Yeah, wheel gap is still there. It's still not very bad. Looks very nice still. And here's a nice ZL1 Camaro parked beside it. So yeah, a little backlighted, but wheel gap is still not bad. But finally have correct size on both sides of the car. Shouldn't be too bad.